The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to talk about how to bring up a prenuptial agreement with your future spouse. We're going to give you some tips on the best way to approach the situation, but the number one tip is just to communicate in an open and honest way. Often the conversation about prenups is a good way to open lines of communication and develop processes for dealing with difficult subjects. As you go through your marriage, you'll have a lot of difficult things you'll have to talk about, and a prenup may be the first time you have to exercise those muscles of approaching things that are difficult to talk about with your spouse. So being open and honest is the number one thing you should worry about, and don't try to be crafty or clever in the way that you talk about things. Just have an open flow of communication and how you feel and why you feel that way. It does help to do research ahead of time to learn about what you can accomplish with a prenup and why they can be mutually beneficial to both parties. Be mindful of your phrasing. Don't lead by talking about the assets you want to protect in the event of a divorce. You may want to say that you want to plan for your future together, and planning for all situations is part of that. No one gets married with the expectation of getting divorced, but a prenup is like an insurance policy. If you do get divorced, it prevents the divorce from being financially and emotionally catastrophic to both parties. A divorce can last for years, usually not multiple years, but it can last for a full year. It can last even longer than that. It can be very tense, acrimonious, and stressful for everyone involved, and most importantly, the longer it goes on, it can be very, very costly. A prenup allows for the divorce to be wrapped up almost immediately, within probably about a month, not be very expensive, because all of the issues that the parties might fight over and litigate, which would cause the divorce to be extended, can be resolved in advance in the prenup when both people are coming from the same negotiating position and are of sound mind and are trying to expecting things to work out. You hope for the best but plan for the worst. Let's talk about when to talk about prenups. It's usually best to do so as early as possible. Often when you're still dating before you've gotten engaged is the best time, because once you get engaged, as the wedding day approaches, you'll both have a lot on your mind, and things become more stressful, and you want to talk about a prenup when everyone's clear-headed and in a non-stressful environment. And the earlier you talk about your intention to want to have a prenup, the more you've signposted that to your significant other, and they won't be surprised when you bring it up once you've actually become engaged. It helps to hire an attorney who can guide the conversation, walk you through the issues you should be considering about in a non-stressful way and in a fair way, and also walk you through the process of how to talk about those issues. You want to phrase this as creating a contract together. Don't draft the prenup with your attorney in advance and present it to your significant other to sign. Think of it as something that you're doing it together rather than something that is being done to that person. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you found this helpful, feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666 to schedule a free consultation. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have offices in several geographic locations for your convenience. We'd love it if you subscribe to us on YouTube or SoundCloud or Apple Podcasts, or however or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.